Everybody, here we are at the Ultimate BMW meet. So we're going to have a little walk around the show. We're going to have a look at some good builds, maybe some bad builds as well, and have a little bit of fun. Let's go. So this one is very much similar to Zabir's car. However, Zabir's car will be looking a lot better than this one. Not that this one looks bad in any way. It's going to have the carbon mirrors. We've got the carbon roof, which is a really nice touch. It's a wrap, isn't it? Yeah, it's a wrap. That looks good. Exactly the same spoiler as having. Very, very similar diffuser, but it's going to be a little bit more aggressive. This one's slightly sticking out a bit, but yeah, nice spec. Obviously, Zabir's has got the roof wing on there as well. Sorry, the boot wing on there, and it's got the Motec wheels as well. So it's going to look really good. You can see now, just in that wrap, it's a little bit gold, so it's a little bit mismatched, but it's a nice example. It's good, and it's lowered as well. So Zabir's is going to be lowered. Well, it is lowered now, and the black badges. So yeah, a little bit of a taste of things to come. So typical F31 with a gloss black kit on. We supply this gloss black kit. Get on the website. So we've got the diffuser. It hasn't got the side skirts on it though, and it's got a front splitter as well. Nice M2 CS. Look at that. Love it. Not a great love for the M2, but this one, yeah. Come around the back, have a look at this. That's what the boot should look like. It's just unfortunate you see some owners, they'll stick a spoiler on top of that. It's just wrong on every level. Yeah, beautiful. Got another F31 with a gloss black. Looking good. No matter how many of these kits we sell, it still looks good. This one's got the side skirts. And the diffuser as well. F31 John. Yeah, nice example. So yeah, the M3 Touring. We do the full kit in carbon fibre for this. So this has got a Maxton kit on it, but it's broken. Yeah, front splitter, side extensions, roof wing, rear diffuser, side skirts, rear corners, badges, everything we do for this car. And we do lower it as well, only on the front. Yeah, it's a nice example, lovely colour. So another baby blue M2. Again, we do absolutely everything product wise for this car. Carbon, gloss black, we can do it all. This one's got all the carbon on it. Looks good. Even the grills, so we will change the grills as well. Yeah, nice little example that. I didn't really like this colour when it first came out, but it is growing on me. So yeah, it's a nice car. So the M's all in this row, and a nice Sao Paulo M2. So again, I've said it before, I'm not a great lover of the M2. It has grown on me over the years, but maybe I'm biased, but look at that one. Sao Paulo yellow, M2. Does it work? Not sure. Gloss black over carbon. I'm not sure if that works. Beautiful example, a lot of work gone into it. Just not sure about the gloss black. Carbon all the way on Sao Paulo. Look at that one. Uber 140i with an M2 conversion on the front. One of Germania's lads. Look at that.
Is this the best driver focus car?
Now that is a big hole. And then moving on to this G05, we do the full kits for these. Diffuser, spoiler. I always advise against this, a little bit too much. Let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me, is it too much? Not sure. Not many customers go for it. Side skirts. And then that lovely front splitter. And we do the black grills. Yeah, lovely car that. I do like an X5. So F31 again, 3 Series Touring. We do the roof spoilers for these now as part of the kit. So get on the website and get one. We don't order many in, but we've got some in at the moment. We do the side decals, but not like that. We do the OEM style decals, and they're all printed out by us in-house. Has this one got the diffuser on? Yeah, it's a bit mixed matches this one. It's got a gloss black front end, gloss black spoiler, it's got a matte black diffuser, so not too sure what's going on there, but yeah, it's still a nice example, apart from the scuffs on the alloy. Then moving on to the F30, which is exactly what you've just seen, but with the boots. So we do the boot spoiler. I think this one has got the V-style spoiler on it, as has all of them, but we do the M Performance style spoiler for this as well. So we do this style, we do the M Performance style as well. But this one has stayed the theme of gloss black, which is much better. And the mirror caps. We look at the mirror caps, we do those. And the gloss black grills. So that is a full ultimate pack for us, including decals. So G22. Not very popular for mods, but we do them. Front splitter, side skirt extensions. We do, you see the bit in carbon down there? If you just zoom in on that. We do that in gloss black as well. The rear diffuser and the boot spoiler. Yeah, we do that exact diffuser, so go and have a look at that. That's nice. And the mirror caps. So yeah, G22, lowered, looks good. This. It's like Nardo Grey F80. Those wheels are mental. Have a look. A load of this F33 full kit. We do them. Get on the website. Side decals, boot spoiler, diffuser, front splitter, mirror caps, side skirts. Looks good, man. I don't mean the police van. Look at the wheels on this baby blue. Might have to come round the front. Police van's going to knock us over. Look at these. Look at the wheels on this baby blue. So nice. Yeah, they suit it massively. Now, one of my favourite colours, this F80 M3. We do full kits for these, carbon fibre. So get on the website, have a look. Obviously this front splitter is a little bit mashed. He needs to get on the website. He needs to contact us and we'll sort that out. On to Nath's stand at Carbon Culture. We're going to have a look at his green machine. That's Nathan's green machine. Nice bonnet. I wasn't too keen on that. I don't think it'd fit on ours though. I don't think it'd work. And then Nathan's stainless steel exhaust. I think he called it bogey green actually, this. It's like a bogey green. I think that's what he called it anyway. So moving on to Motec stand, they've got their F82 on the stand with our gloss black kit, but they've painted it the same colour as the car. So have a look at that one. And that is on the website, available now. Plenty in stock. and that is sporting the MW4 wheels, same as our M4 as well. Okay, so that is it. Another blisteringly hot day here at the Ultimate BMW meet. That is it for 2026. Hope you've all enjoyed the video and obviously enjoyed our car again. And we will see you all again in 2027. So thanks to BMW, the Ultimate BMW meet, sucking the guys, and we'll see you next year. Enjoy.